Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are going to learn الأسماء الشرطية, the conditional nouns in Arabic, inshallah. The conditional nouns are indeclinable nouns that govern two separate sentences to show that implementation of the second sentence is linked to implementation of the first sentence. A sentence containing the conditional nouns is called the conditional sentence, الجملة الشرطية. The first part is called جملة الشرط, the sentence of the condition, and the second part is called جملة الجواب, the sentence of answer. Both verbs will be جازم مجزوم form, will get سكون or جزم. The first one, من, whoever. من يجتهد ينجح. Whoever works hard will succeed. As we see, both verbs get sukun. The next one, ما, whatever. وما تفعلوا من خير يعلمه الله. Whatever good you do, Allah is aware of it. When ما comes, the conditional noun, the noon drops. وما تفعلون becomes وما تفعلوا من خير يعلمه الله. The next one, in, if. إن تجتهد تنجح. If you work hard, you will succeed. The next one, مهما, whatever. مهما تنفق في الخير ينفعك. Whatever you spend in the way of good will benefit you. متى, whenever. متى تذهب أذهب. Whenever you go, I will go. أيان, whenever. أيان تسافر أسافر. Whenever you travel, I will travel. كيفما, how, manner. كيفما تجلس أجلس. Whichever way you sit, I will sit. حيثما, wherever. حيثما تسافر أسافر. Wherever you travel, I will travel. أن, wherever. أن تذهب أذهب. Wherever you go, I will go. أينما, wherever. أينما تكونوا يدرككم الموت. Wherever you are, the death will come to you. The death shall find you. أي, whichever. أي طالب يجتهد ينجح. Whichever student works hard will pass, will be successful. The following conditional nouns or particles are not causing jazm. They are not causing sukun. لو, if. لو كنت مجتهدا لنجحت. If you were hardworking, you would succeed. لولا, if not. لولا رحمة الله لهلك الناس. If it was not for the mercy of Allah, people would perish. إذا, when. إذا سمعتم المؤذن فقولوا مثل ما يقول. Hadith. When you hear the mu'adhin, say what he says. Say as he says. كلما, whenever. كلما اقتربنا منه ابتعد. Whenever we approached him, he went away. لما, when. لما دخل المدرس الصف سلم علينا. When the teacher entered the classroom, he greeted us. The shart an or jawab may also be in past tense or nominal sentence. من جد وجد. Whoever works hard will find or reach his goal. Wajada means to find, and here it means to reach the goal. Jadda, to work hard. من خرج في طلب العلم فهو في سبيل الله. Whoever goes out in search of knowledge is in the path of Allah. As we see, فهو في سبيل الله is the answer of من خرج في طلب العلم. Whoever goes out in search of knowledge is in the path of Allah. He is in the path of Allah. It can also be nominal sentence, doesn't have to be verbs all the time. من تشبه بقوم فهو منهم. Whoever imitates a nation will be considered as one of them. More examples. إن أحسنتم أحسنتم لأنفسكم. If you do good, you do good for your own selves. Both are in past tense. من كان يريد حرث الآخرة نزد له في حرثه. ومن كان يريد حرث الدنيا نؤته منها وما له في الآخرة من نصيب. It's an ayah from the Quran. There are two examples here. Whosoever desires with his deeds the reward of the hereafter, we give him increase in his reward. And whosoever desires the reward of this world with his deeds, we give him thereof what is written for him, and he has no portion in the hereafter. كيفما تعامل إخوتك يعاملونك. Whichever way you treat your brothers, they will treat you. إن تبدوا الصدقات فنعما هي وإن تخفوها وتؤتوها الفقراء فهو خير لكم. If you give charity openly, that is good. But if you keep it secret, then give it to the needy in private, that is better for you. لو أنزلنا هذا القرآن على جبل لرأيته خاشعا متصدعا من خشية الله. Had we sent down this Quran on a mountain, you would surely have seen it humbling itself and rending asunder by the fear of Allah. إن تبدوا ما في أنفسكم أو تخفوه يحاسبكم به الله. Whether you reveal what is within yourselves or conceal it, Allah will call you to account for it. لو زرتني لأكرمتك. If you visited me, I would have honored you. فإذا قرأت القرآن فاستعذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. When you want to recite the Quran, seek refuge with Allah from Shaitan, the outcast, the cursed one. لولا أن أشق على أمتي لأمرتهم بالسواك عند كل صلاة. Hadith. Were it not that it would be too difficult for my ummah, I would have commanded them to use the siwak, miswak, at the time of every salah. Another ayah. وَمِنْ حَيْثُ خَرَجْتَ فَوَلِّ وَجْهَكَ شَطْرَ الْمَسْجِدِ الْحَرَامِ وَحَيْثُ مَا كُنْتُمْ فَوَلُّوا وُجُوهَكُمْ شَطْرَهُ. And from wheresoever you start forth for your prayers, turn your face in the direction of Al-Masjid al-Haram at Mecca, and wheresoever you are, turn your faces towards it when you pray. لو كان فيهما آلهة إلا الله لفسدتا. Had there been therein in the heavens and earth gods besides Allah, then verily both would have been ruined. And that's all today. I hope this lesson was beneficial today. See you next lesson inshallah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.